In this next posture, we stand with the feet parallel, shoulder width apart. Breathe out and run your hands down the outside of your legs. Bring them on the inside and come up and breathe in. We're going to again be breathing into the lower abdomen. And then again, so again, 8 times. Breathe out. Bend the knees and ankle. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And relax. Michelle will now demonstrate the posture. Okay, then from the side. And try also to roll the back. Don't lift up with a straight back. Yes, good. One more. Okay, good.